Welcome to JSR Maths Academy. Let us observe question. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. Here we need to find out an AP whose third term is 16. That means let us write what is given. Given that third term T3, which is also can be written as A3 is 16, and they mention that seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. That means, and adding 12 to the fifth term, you get a seventh term, and adding 12 to the fifth term, we get a seventh term. These two are given, and from this we need to find out an AP, in which AP whose third term is 16 and whose seventh term is exceeds fifth term by 12. That we need to find out. For that, I am going to make use of an important formula, that is nth term of an AP an is equal to a plus of n minus 1 into d. By using this formula, a3, that means third term, I can write it as an a plus 3 minus 1 into d, which is equal to 16. That means from this I can write a plus 2d is equal to 16. This is the first equation. Let it be as a first equation. And here they mention that seventh term a7 is 12 exceeds the fifth term. So seventh term can be written as a plus 60. By using nth term of an AP formula, we can write the seventh term as an a plus 60. In the same manner, fifth term can be written as a plus 4d is equal plus 12. Now I am transporting these terms from the RHS to LHS. From these two terms I am transporting to the other hand of equation. So a plus 60 plus a if it transported to other hand minus, and plus 4d if it transported to other hand minus 4d is equal to 12. Now plus a minus a, and adding you will get 0. 6d minus 4d, that means 2d, 2 times of the d is 12. From this d value you get it as a 12 by 2, which is of 6. Now we got d value. So substitute d value, substitute d is equal to 6 in equation 1. Why we are substituting in that means we need to find out AP. To get an AP, we need to find out the first term, common difference. So we got a common difference, but we don't know first term. What is the first term of an AP? To that, we are going to make use of this first equation. So what is the first equation? That is of a plus 2d is equal to 16. Then a plus 2 into d means 6 is equal to 16, and a plus 12 is equal to 16. From this, a is equal to 16 minus 12, that is of 4. Then we got a first term. Now in the required AP, we know general form of AP, that is of a comma a plus d comma a plus 2d comma a plus 3d, and so on and so. Okay, so here in the required AP, we know the first term, that is of a, and second to get a second term, for first term we need to add common difference. So a plus 6 and a plus 2 into 6 and a plus, that means a in the sense 4 plus 3 into 6. So 4, 10, 16, we get 22, and so on. So this is a required AP. Therefore is required AP. This is how to solve this problem. Thank you friends for watching this video.